What's up, everybody? I got the whole team up. The whole team is out. Maybe that helicopter give my birds a little push. Because they haven't seen the Hawk or the Falcon yet. I've been lucky this year. No Hawks, no Falcons. Nothing. I got the whole team up. I got 4 young ones that I got here that are a little too young to be letting out yet. So in about 2 weeks, these guys will be up. I got my breeding boxes covered up. 2x4s up. I got one old one here that's, I guess he ain't flying this year. One of my breeders. Huh? I'll be in soon. I'll be in soon. But there they go. Looking good. Like I said, I haven't seen any Hawks or Falcons this year, so I don't know what's up. I mean, I'm happy, of course, but it's kind of weird. I've only been flying since 2013, so I mean, when I first started, the Hawks would chase them. And then 2014, I started getting hit by the Falcons. 2014 and 2015, I was getting hit by the Falcon probably in June, or not June, July and August. And then the Falcon would disappear, and then around this time, the Hawk would start hitting them. But I haven't seen either yet. No Hawks, no Falcons. Which is good, but at the same time, you know, the Hawk always gives them a little push. But they're still, you know, doing good. The weather's changing, it's getting cooler. It's feeling pretty nice. You gotta forgive the resolution on my camera. I got a new phone. And it don't take as good of a video. But I got some young ones here that I'm not even sure if I want to train them. Because all they're going to do is bring the rest of them down. I really don't want to go through that, so I might be getting rid of some of these. I'm going to be getting rid of these guys. Not bad. This one got a fucked up cap. This one got some nice eyes. Nice cap. Nice bird. But there they go. Still flying, still having fun. And that's it. That's what it's all about. Having fun. And enjoying the hobby. All right, take it easy, fellas. See you next time.